Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rafia Amjad and I am here to teach you the subject of science of class 2. Let's start with the exercise of unit 1. Okay, please open page number 7. Here we have take on the correct answer. Number 1. The major source of light and heat is sun, moon, air and the bulb. The right answer is sun. Moving on to the 2. We can't breathe without minerals, without air, without sun, without water. Here we are discussing the breathe. So it symbolizes air. So we will move and we will take. The correct answer is without air. 3. Which helps in the flight of aeroplane? Flight of aeroplane. Just think for a minute and think which thing helps in the flight of aeroplane, and the options are air, water, soil, sunlight. The right option is A, that is air. Moving on to the 4th one. Minerals are present in water, earth, air, everywhere. As we have discussed and the last lecture, that minerals are present in the earth. So the right option will be B. Resources are of dash types. How many types of resources are there? A2, 1, B, C3, D5. So the right option is A, that is 2. Now moving on to the filling the blanks. 71% of our earth is composed of dash. Here we have also been given word bank. We will use these words to fill up the filling the blanks. So the right option is water. Just write down the water. Moving on to the 2. Sun is dash resource. Just look at the word bank and see which one word is suitable. The suitable word is natural. Okay. Moving on to the 3. Electricity is also generated from dash. Go to the word bank and see which one word is the suitable. Wind, water, natural, pipes or paper. The right option is wind. Moving on to the 4th one. Dash is made from wood of trees. What is the right option? Here in the word bank, the right option is paper. We will write paper here. 5th one. Iron is used to make dash. Iron is used to make, the last word of the word bank is pipes, and we have read in the chapter that iron is used to make the pipes. So here we will go with the word pipes. Moving on to the page number 8. Question number 3. Write the names of the natural resources of the following objects. Here we have been given different products, the pictures of the products, and we have to mention which natural resources were used in the formation of these products. So the very first picture is of pot. The pot is made up of two things, that is clay, and the second one is soil. In the second picture we have been given jewelry. 2 natural resources are used for making of natural jewelry. Here we will write gold and the second one will be silver. Now the third picture is of aeroplane. Here 2 we will write air, that helps the plane to move in the air. That helps the plane basically fly. And the second one is oil, that is the fuel used for the used by the aeroplane. Now the fourth picture is of house. We use wood and iron. You know, the structure of houses are made with wood, and that later we use irons to make pipes and windows and doors. Here we will write iron. Now the last picture is of windmill. Which things helps the windmill to move. In the name of the windmill, we will find the wind that is used by the windmill to move. Okay, now we will move to the page number 9. Here we have been given 3 questions. The fourth question, that is the first question of this part, this page is write the names of any 2 natural resources. That is, we have discussed so many in the chapter. We will write sun, and the second one will be wind. Just like that, we will go with the question number 5. Name any 2 man-made objects. Just think for a minute and you can write down by yourselves. Here I will write chair, and the second one will be pen, or I can write table, or whatever you find suitable. Now moving on to the question number 6. Match columns A with its correct answer in column B by drawing a line. Here you can use the column A and column B to match the options. Now the first option is underground. Now moving on to the column B, we will see which thing is present inside the earth. Underground means inside the earth. So wind, no. Minerals, yes. Wood, no. Water, no. So we will match the very first one with the second option of column B. Moving on to the second option of column A, the forest. Now we will move to the column B and we will see which thing is the right answer that we are going to match with the forest. Here we will see wind, no. Minerals, no, as we have already joined underground with the minerals. Wood, yes. We will match the forest with the option 3 of column B. Now we will move to the option 3 of column A, that is the drink. We will see which is the best option for the drink. Here moving in the column B, we will see we have wind, minerals, then wood, and at the very last we have option number 4, that is water. We will match the drink with the water. Now what we have, the last option in column A is breathing. We will match breathing with the wind, that is the last option of column A and the very suitable answer of breathing. Okay students, we have gone through page number 7, 8 and 9. Hopefully you will learn it by heart and will familiarize yourselves with these concepts and these questions. Thank you.